Hi everyone, it's Nalanie and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. This is the July box. This actually came in yesterday and I just didn't get around to filming a video or an unboxing then for you guys. But we are doing that today, and they were actually a little late with this month's box, but they sent me an email letting me know that things were running a little behind. So, you know, those things happen. I get the $25 base box. They have other ones where it's a little more pricier. This is just the standard base box, and I always look forward to my Boxycharm boxes just because I haven't been buying makeup, and this is pretty much what I rely on for new makeup. So as soon as you open it, you get 4 to 5 full-size products, and you get a little pamphlet that tells you the theme of the month as well as the products. So this theme is sunshine. And okay, so first product is this right here. This is the Quick Color Swish Dry Makeup Brush Cleaner from Lavish. I've never used one of these before. I wasn't really sure why spend the money on something that looks like a little sponge to swap out your eyeshadow colors, but I guess it comes in really handy for traveling, or if you're just in a pinch and you can, I'm excited to try this out because hopefully this works, because who doesn't want products that don't work? So I will test that out and let you guys know what I think about it. And did I tell you how much that was? $20, just in case I didn't. Next product is from I don't know if it's the Cream Shop or the Crumb Shop, but it's this right here. Hopefully you can see it. I did notice that this brand is now at Target, well, at least at my Targets. And this is the Clean Canvas Cushion Primer, and this is in purple. So it's a color correcting primer. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, this also retails you for $20. And it's a cushion primer to create a smooth, solid base for better makeup that lasts for 12 plus hours. I'm completely reading that wrong, and requires less makeup. So I've never tried any products from this brand, so hopefully this works well. I also have never tried a cushion color correcting primer. So this is the packaging, very nice. Beautiful purple, I love purple packaging. And this is what it looks like. So you get the little sponge right here, and then the product is right in here as well. So I'm just going to swatch this, but I'm not going to use the sponge. I'm just going to swatch it with my hands. Drop my sponge. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like, and I'm just gonna go in with a small amount because I don't want to waste product. So that is very liquidy, very thick. It's like a thick liquid. I do want to cover this because I'm not going to be using this for today. So that's the purple, and that's really, really thick. So I don't know if I would use this all over my face. I think I would just use this the areas where I want to brighten. But yeah, that's thick. It has a scent, and I don't know, I can't place my finger on it. But it's drying down pretty matte. So that should be pretty good. I'm actually pretty intrigued by this color correcting cushion primer in lavender. So, all right, I've never actually used any lavender primers, lavender color correctors. Usually I gravitate towards more orange, but I'm interested in seeing how this is going to work. Okay, so moving on, there's 3 products left, and I'm just going to take it out of the box because the box is it's taking up too much space. Okay, so the next product is from Clean Skin Club. It's a vitamin C brightening booster, and it's watermelon green tea and pineapple. So I love vitamin C. I love products with vitamin C in there. It just does really, really good things for your skin. So it contains watermelon green tea extract, which helps reduce sun damage, even out your skin, improves the appearance of aged and stressed skin. This retails you for $50, well $49.95, and it helps protect your skin against UV damage and reduces eventual signs of aging. So I am 100% all for this. It says mix 3 drops to enhance your cream or serum, or you can apply it. No, it can also be applied in the morning and evening. Okay, so let's see what this looks like and smells like and feels like. I'm very picky with serums. I love facial oils, but serums, I'm not a huge fan of certain ones because some of them can leave your skin really tacky, and I don't care for that. So this is the packaging. It's actually a really, really nice, sleek packaging. You get 1 fluid ounce and a really nice dropper. So this is what it looks like. So right off the bat, it doesn't smell bad. It doesn't smell delicious, but it doesn't smell bad. It smells clean. I think that's probably the best word to describe it. It is thick. It is very, very thick. And I'm just going to work this into the back of my hand, and I want to see what it feels like once it's dried down, because like I said, I'm not a huge fan of serums that leave that little tacky and sticky residue on your skin. But if it is a little tacky, I can mix it in with moisturizer and see how it goes, because that should help with that in case. Let me let this dry down a little more. It is a little tacky, but it's not as tacky as other serums that I've tried. So I'm hoping that hopefully it works well. So we'll see how that goes, and I'll let you guys know. Next product is from Ciate, London. It is our Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. This retails you for $22. It says it's infused with coconut. It's a luminous ultra fine mist, and it holds your makeup while micro pearls add a delicate glow all over the skin. And it has coconut scent. Okay, so this is the packaging. I'm just gonna shake this. I'm gonna spray this and see what it feels like. Yeah, let's see what it feels like. It smells good. It has a really light coconut scent. If you're someone who doesn't like that strong coconut scent, you're gonna like this. But you know what? This smells like the Wet n Wild coconut setting spray. That's what it smells like. It's exactly what this smells like. I do like the way that smells. I don't know if it's leaving my hand dewy. I already have a setting spray on, so I'll test this out and I'll let you guys know in another video just reviewing all of these products. But it smells really good and it feels really light, and yeah, we'll have to wait and see what it feels like on the skin, because how it can feel on your hand versus on your face is 2 different experiences. Last product is a palette. I haven't gotten a palette from Boxycharm in such a long time. It feels like forever, and I love getting palettes because I just love getting palettes. So this one is from Pure. It is the Festival 2.0. It's a 12-piece pressed pigments palette, and this retails you for $36. So these look nice. Okay, so I'm gonna open up. Based off of the colors on the back of the packaging, it looks really, really pretty. It looks like a lot of reds, and I love red shadows. So this is the palette. It looks so pretty. Just looks fun. Okay, so, oh, this is nice. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like. I'm covering the mirror so it doesn't blind you guys. Look how pretty that looks. In the picture, it looks like there's a lot of reds in here. There are no reds. It's just like this really nice corally, pinkish, like strawberry-ish looking at color, but it looks really, really nice. That's pretty. Okay, so I'm going to film a separate video just testing this out, doing a tutorial, because I am I've been dying to play around with some new shadows, and yeah, very, very excited. But this is really pretty. I'm very excited. I do have a couple of Pure's palettes, and the quality in the other palettes have just been really, really good. So I do have pretty high expectations for this one as well. But overall, I'm pretty excited about my box. I think the 3 things that I'm the most excited about is this palette, this coconut spray, and this serum. As far as the purple color correcting, I mean, it's whatever. I'll try it out, see how it goes, because I've never tried a product like that. So I'm interested, but I'm not excited. And then this color switch, I mean, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Maybe it'll come in really, really handy, because sometimes that happens. But I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick unboxing and video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.